Despite not getting a chance to play a single warm-up game before the start of tomorrow's first test, West Indies vice-captain Jermaine believes the team is poised to do well in their two-match series against Sri Lanka. Renata Brown reports.
West Indies head coach Phil Simmons may have to be creative in making a decision on the bowling combination for the first test this weekend. With 3 frontline spinners and 3 fast bowlers at his disposal, Simmons had hoped to fine-tune preparations for the opening test in their game against the Sri Lanka President's 11, but rain forced an abandonment of the game in Colombo. However, Jamaican Jermaine feels missing out on 3 days of cricket ahead of the series hasn't put a dent in the team's readiness.
Most of the guys get a proper hit out in the middle in Antigua, but since we reach here, some rain and stuff. But I think the guys are in a very good place. We trained few days because we had rain and the guys really look good. And today again at practice, you can see the guys adapting to the surface as quickly as possible, and very pleasing to see how the guys are going about their work at practice. And I don't think that practice match is going to end us at all.
The abandonment of the warm-up game may not impact Blackwood, but for newcomer Jeremy Solozano, going into a maiden test without a tour game may not be ideal. Blackwood, though, is full of confidence in the left-hander.
He's a next, player like Craig who bat time and bat long. So, once he can get in, it's going to be a big advantage for us, because if we can have Solozano and Craig bat for long period, it's only going to get better for us.
And for Blackwood, who narrowly missed out on a century the last time he was in Sri Lanka, the aim is to capitalize on any opportunity.
No, I'm starting to understand my game much better than in the past. I really know my game now inside out. So, the last time I played here, I was, playing more attacking, to be honest, because I was batting like with number 11. But this time around, hopefully if I get a chance, I can bat more longer for the team, and score more runs, because I'm not really looking to just score half century or a century. I'm looking to push it beyond that.
Blackwood scored 11 and 92 in an innings and 6-run defeat to Sri Lanka in 2015 at Galle. The Windies lost the series 2-1. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.